Welcome to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today I want to show you how you can convert a video file into a WAV audio file. Now why would you ever want to do it? Well, maybe you have a video file that has a beautiful soundtrack to go along with it, but you don't always want to watch the video. Instead you just want to listen to the audio on its own. Luckily it's very easy to extract out the audio into its own WAV file, and today I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it using an app called VLC. Alright. Well, when we jump on the computer and let's get started. Here I am on my Mac and I have an MP4 file that contains a video as well as a soundtrack. Let's take a quick look. I really love that soundtrack and I'd like to remove it from the video. So how do we do that? Well, let's first off open up our web browser. Once you open up your web browser, head over to the website videolan.org. I've also included a link in the description so you can navigate there just by clicking on that. Now this will allow us to download the VLC media player. VLC is by far my favorite media player. It'll play just about any type of video content. You don't have to download any codecs. It works across all different platforms like Windows, Mac, and Linux X. And best of all, it's free and open source. To download VLC is simply click on this button that says Download VLC and run through the installation process. Once you finish downloading VLC, go ahead and launch it. Once you launch the VLC media player, you'll land on a screen that looks like this. To take a video and extract the audio from it into a WAV file, first off we need to go up to the top left hand corner and click on File. Within the File menu, let's go down to the option that says Convert/Stream. Alternatively, you can also click on the shortcut key Command key plus Shift. To launch this will open up and says Convert and Stream dialog, and here we need to select the file that we want to pull the audio from. Let's click on the button that says Add. Once we click on Open Media, this opens up the Windows file picker and navigate to where you have the MP4 file saved on your computer. I happen to have mine on the desktop called Cinematic Sound Effects. I'm gonna double click on this. Or you could also click on Open. This now selects the source file that we're going to pull the audio from. Once you've done that, click Choose Profile. This will open up the Convert dialog, and here we see the source file that we're going to pull the audio from. We want to convert it, and then within this drop-down list for profile, click on this and we're going to navigate to the option that says Audio MP3. About halfway up the list you'll see an option that says Audio MP3. Let's click on this one. Customize. Let's click see an option Encapsulation WAV. Need to select Apply. Next down in this choose destination, select Save as File. Text field, we need to select where we want to place the WAV file. Let's click on Browse. This opens up the Windows file picker again, and let's give it a file name. I'm gonna call this Cinematic Sound Effects, and you'll see this type is a WAV. Let's click on Save. Now that I've selected the source, I've selected the file type that I want to convert it to, and I've also selected the destination. Now let's click on Start. You'll see the progress bar at the bottom. It shows the conversion in progress and it's now completed. I'm now back on my desktop and you see that there's a new file for Cinematic Sound Effects, new video. Let's click on this to see how it worked, and it looks like the audio file has come through perfectly. I now have a WAV file without the video. That's exactly what I wanted to do. Alright, well, that was a quick look at how you can take a video file and convert it into an audio file or in WAV. If this video helps you, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see future videos like this, hit that subscribe button. That way you'll get a notification anytime new content like this comes out. And lastly, If you want to see me cover any other topics in the future, leave a comment down below and I'll add it to my list of videos to create. Alright, well that's all I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed and I hope to see you next time. Bye.